Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are fine. This is very informative video. In this video, we inform you about commercial vehicle accident. Commercial vehicles include semi trucks, delivery trucks and vans, utility vans, trucks, commercial and chartered buses, contractor owned pickups, taxis, and limousines. If you are injured in an accident involving a commercial vehicles, or if attorneys who have the skills and resources to go head to head with the commercial carriers or companies legal team. We were question is who should pay? The commercial carriers and commercial companies that use commercial vehicles may be held liable for injuries and fatalities caused by their drivers. The medical cost associated by with these accidents can be enormous, as can costs associated with lost wages, pain, suffering, and other life-changing claims demand damages. Commercial vehicle accident experience that you can trust, because most commercial carriers and commercial vehicles companies work with large insurance companies with dedicated legal staff. You need an experienced attorney on your side. Scott and the commercial vehicles accident attorneys at Skiff Associates in columns. We are well aware of the factors that can lead to negligence on the part of commercial vehicles drivers. Viewers, driving on usually means sharing the road with semi trucks and 18 wheelers. This can be nerve wracking even if you are only in the passing lane. Unfortunately, truck accidents often occur, causing thousands of injuries and death every year across the nation. The personal injury law firm of J&Y fights to obtain fair compensation for truck accidents. Victim in Los Angeles. Viewers, reason for truck accident: semi truck and tractor trailers cause many accidents in every day because these vehicles are so large, typically as much as 30 times more than a car. With a truck can have devastating consequences. The driver and or passenger of the automobile always far worse. These vehicles are also hard to drive. Maneuver truckers must exercise reasonable care not to injure others while rolling down the highway. Viewers, the truck industry is quickly growing in US because our 70% of consumer goods make their way to their final destination by large trucks. Trucking can be a business and good source of income for drivers. But the industry has one of the highest fatality rates in US. There has been a 52 increased truck accident deaths since 2009. Truck accident death victims are passengers of other vehicles and not the drivers of truck themselves. 68% of all truck accident fatalities are passengers in other vehicles. Even more alarming, 74% of all fatal injury crashes involve a large truck. Viewers, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.